Hi everyone, my name is Brittany and today I will be explaining my San Francisco trip in 2020. So I took this trip in November 2020 to celebrate my birthday, and I did go with my best friend. Here I am on the left side. I took a photo of myself near, viewing Lombard Street. And then here's me and my best friend, just the two of us. We had a really good time out there. Next, we went sightseeing. Here's a photo of Lombard Street and just the city of San Francisco. You can see all the houses, and it's just a beautiful view. This is a San Francisco city, and the thing I like about San Fran is that there's not many vehicles. A lot of people are either walking or biking, which is very different than out here. Next, I visited Bowden Bakery, and they just have a lot of sweets and pastries and coffees and lattes, and it was very delicious. Continuing my sightseeing, I went to Palace of Fine Arts, where it's a museum, and there's so many beautiful buildings and paintings and just art in general in this palace, and it's so beautiful. Next, I went to the infamous Full House, and I believe it's either one of these two, but they're actually called the Pink Ladies now, but originally it's the Full House from television. Of course, I went to the Golden Gate Bridge, and this was a very historic attraction that I had to see, of course, when visiting San Fran. And we even drove through the bridge, and it was a little bit scary, but it was it was a great experience to do that. Unfortunately, I didn't go to Alcatraz, which I would have wanted to, but we weren't able to get tickets this day. But I did just take a picture of it. I think I was across from Pier 39, so I got to see that Alcatraz from there. Some places that we ate, we went to the Mona Lisa restaurant. It's an Italian restaurant, and they had such great pasta, pizza, and wine. I went to Pier 39 as well, and they were famous for their bread bowls. So I think it's clam chowder that we had. It was really good. Next, we went to San Francisco Brewery and had some other craft beer, and just similar to any other brewery, but it was just really pretty how they had like this sign and these nice lights. Love that. When I was out there, I did see some really nice murals and art, and diverse, and they're really big on LGBTQ community, so I love that as well. It was very nice to see that, the diversity out there. In conclusion, why visit San Fran? Personally, I had a great experience out there, even though I was there for maybe 4 days, but it was a great time overall. The views, the scenic beauty, their weather was really good. I went in November, and it was chilly, but it was just right. Of course, the food was amazing. Like I had said, the diverse culture. Everybody was very friendly as well. Very diverse. And I liked that bikes were valued out there rather than vehicles. And the attractions overall, I did visit the botanical garden and the museum. The botanical garden, it was a Japanese botanical garden, and it was very, very nice, so I liked that I did that as well. But thank you so much for watching, and yeah, that's all.